In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to download and install the desktop version of NordVPN. If you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Your support allows us to keep making content just for you. In addition, use my affiliate link in the description to create an account for 70% off and 3 months extra. It's better to download and install the desktop version of NordVPN to ensure robust online security and privacy with advanced features and easy management. It provides comprehensive protection for your internet activities across all applications on your computer. To get started with NordVPN, the first step is to open your internet browser and navigate to the official website at nordvpn.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice various sections providing details about the features and benefits of NordVPN. However, for the purpose of installing the application, what we need to do is focus on the navigation menu at the top of the page. Look for the option labeled Download VPN and click on it. This will bring you to a new page that showcases the different devices and platforms NordVPN supports. Since we are installing it on a Windows computer, locate the section that mentions Windows and click on the Download App button. The installer will then open, and you'll be asked to choose a location where you'd like to install the software. Unless you have a specific folder in mind, it's usually fine to stick with the default location. Click Next to move on. Now, the installation process will begin. Depending on your computer's performance, this could take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. A progress bar will show you the status of the installation. Once the installation is complete, you'll be given some additional options. The program will ask if you want to create a desktop shortcut or have NordVPN appear in your start menu for easier access. Choose the options that suit your preferences and click Next. Next, the installer will prompt you to click Install to finalize the setup. Again, this could take a few moments, depending on your system. When it's finished, you'll be given the option to install a NordVPN browser extension. Although this is generally a good idea, we'll skip this step for now, so uncheck that box and click Next. Finally, when the installation is complete, select whether you want to create a desktop icon or not, and click Finish. Now you can launch the NordVPN app. The first time you open it, you'll be prompted to choose one of NordVPN's packages: Basic, Plus, or Complete. Each package offers different levels of service, and you can choose the one that best fits your needs. Keep in mind that NordVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try out the service risk-free. Once you select a package, you'll be redirected to the payment page. Here, you'll need to enter your email address and choose your preferred payment method, whether it be credit card, PayPal, or another option. After completing the purchase, you'll receive a verification email. Open the email, follow the instructions to verify your account, and create a password. With your account now active, you can log into the NordVPN app and start exploring its features. From here, you're free to use NordVPN to secure your internet connection, explore the app's various functionalities, and enjoy a safer browsing experience. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to subscribe for more practical tips and tutorials. Use my affiliate link in the description to create an account for 70% off and 3 months extra. Catch you in the next one.